The Isle of Man boasts the oldest electric tramway in the world, still using its original rolling stock. Cars 1 and 2 are the oldest working tramcars in the world, dating from 1893. It all started when the Isle of Man had a thriving tourist industry in the 1890s, and over 600,000 visitors came to the island each summer seeking fun and entertainment, and the Manx Electric Railway was one of their favourite attractions. Nowadays, the railway is a wonder of Victorian electrical engineering, and whereas those who rode on it would have been used to trams in the industrial cities of England, none of them would have travelled on anything quite like the Manx Electric Railway. These Manx trams were built for pleasure, and the route takes advantage of the glorious scenery on the island's east coast. The trams start in the island's capital, Douglas, and wend their way along the coast, and then turn inland to make their way to Laxey, formerly the island's centre of lead mining in the Victorian era. Laxey Station is always a hive of activity as trams arrive and depart from the south and the north. And passengers can change here to another remarkable railway, the Snaefell Mountain Railway. Leaving Laxey, the line gradually climbs to its highest point at Bulgham Bay, 600 feet above sea level. The route of this tramway picks the very best scenic views, a mixture of dramatic vistas and deep countryside, running past some of the island's most atmospheric glens. Most of the rolling stock was supplied by G.F. Milnes, a famous carriage maker of Birkenhead, and they are outstanding examples of those pioneering days. The quality of the coachwork is superb, and the team at the Manx Electric Railway keep them all in immaculate condition. Throughout the season, many of these original cars and trailers can be seen running the tracks. From its earliest years, it was a huge success, and as archive footage shows, the queues to get on the trams in the morning stretched as far back as the eye could see. And although the island doesn't have quite as many visitors today, the trams are still packed throughout the season. During the summer months, Isle of Man Railways organises special events for photographers and enthusiasts, as well as for those who just want to see more of the world's oldest electric railway. Be sure to visit our website to see the regular timetable and for news of forthcoming events.